So I'm here to narrate a full tour of the lifts at the Brea Mall, and I'm starting at the key lift, the only one not located in a shop. Of course, I'm totally obsessed with clothing, so I wish that there was clothing next to it, but it's still a nice lift with windows, so just watch. Cool chime. Up is clearly my only choice here. These buttons are moderately satisfying to click. The display and manufacturer symbol are standard. So here's the view. And just ignore the train. It's my equivalent of the blur feature. Not too much clothing in sight at all. Sad. That hyperbola-like shape is totally my favorite part of any manufacturer logo. Time for chimes. So basically now I'm in JCPenney's and the place is just so big. I took forever to find the lift. Not my favorite button style ever at all, but I'll click it. Enough clicks. I'll just wait. Hydraulic lift weights are just too long. Awesome. It's really here now. The interior is plain and simple. Not in great condition. Too many scratches. The lights are typical and behind a grid-like grille. Time for my favorite Nordstrom lift ever, at least for now. I just needed to put the magnificent bell before the ride. It's so cool/vintage and the lift is so edgy with the bronze. So here I'm at Nordstrom where I tried and bought some really cool clothing. I want to finish my visit to this shop with a ride on this nice lift. Even if the display is contemporary, it looks bronze and matches the edgy Nordstrom architectural theme. There's people, so of course I need to point the camera down to not scare them with a huge camera. Clothing, lifts, buses, trains, buildings. How did I get so many interests? They're probably thinking, how can someone be obsessed with clothing and lifts? I ask myself how I got these two very different interests too. Really nice material. Oh, look at this table. Chime replay time again. Time for something which you could say is slightly less elegant. Even the arrow is broken. I like how the arrows match the shape of the indicator arrows. Looking down in case anyone's in it. Tiles, glass, and some cool paneling. I'll go down first to do a full ride up next. Going up now. With time, I'm getting more good and clicking quickly. The numbers are not showing. Unfortunately, car park lifts get damaged easily because anyone can ride them at any time. I really like four materials more than any others: bronze and marble for architecture, leather for clothing, and plastic for architecture, clothing, and so many other things. Even buttons. It's just so contemporary. I really like plastic. And probably my favorite shape is the rounded triangle. So I just love these buttons. Simple fake with panels. These ubiquitous buttons. They're everywhere. I obviously need to show the logo because, yeah, I like logos. It's totally time for more mechanical bell sounds. How cool! Modernized floor and walls. Cool how I can see the signs for the workers. Oh no! It's totally closing before I can enter. Relief. I was able to reopen it before it left. So this wall with the door/buttons isn't modernized. I'm so glad that they left one part original. The chime just totally sounds so ancient. So mechanical. Gray fake wood floor, black leather pants, nicely finished stainless steel. Good variety of materials for a video. Great proportions for the arrows too. The doors start closing very quickly but are very slow.